everyone, I'm Tara, and I did a very lengthy tutorial on Adobe XD's new component state feature. Like a good UI designer, I'm iterating on that and going back and redoing the initial video into smaller, more digestible pieces, starting with part 1, the simple toggle. Let's dive in. The November update of Adobe XD brought component states, which is a long-awaited feature. Before this update, if I were creating this component that has 7 distinct states, I would need to make 7 components. Now I can merge all of these into one. So I'm just going to move this item into the middle of my artboard here, and we're just going to create a component out of it. You can do this by clicking this X here. You can also right click and it would have said make component. There's also a keyboard command at K. So now that that's selected, we're just going to add in this new component master area a new state, and we're going to call it an interactive state. Sorry, an inactive state. I apologize. This is like the 8th time I've recorded this video, so I'm letting that mistake in. Okay, so it's an inactive state. All right, and now we're going to add a hover state, which is auto-named hover state. With that selected, we're going to move our little ellipsis over about 6 pixels, and that's going to be our hover state. The focus state, which is next, looks very similar to the hover state, so I'm going to ensure the hover state is selected and click Add State, which will name our focus state. And just select that. We're going to right click on my color and apply to border. And that's going to be our focus state. Next up is loading state. Now, and the interior of that is solid, and it's in the middle, and 1414. So let's just move our toggle up to the top. This one actually has this little icon in it, but I'm not able to actually just drag it in, even with it open. I'm not able to drag it in, so I have to copy it. We're going to paste it onto the artboard, and we're just going to move it down on top where it's supposed to go. I'm going to cut it again, and now with toggle ellipsis selected, or toggle ellipse as selected, I can paste it, and now it's within the component. So when I'm creating my next state, I don't actually want this toggle around, so I'm going to go back to a different one. So we're going to go back to inactive. And now I'm going to do active. Let's see how that works. Active state. We're going to color that. Apply its border. And we're going to move you over to the other side. And now we have an active state. Go back to inactive, and then we're going to select disabled off. And it's just a circle a little lighter shade of gray. And go back to select active, and then we're going to, again, add a new state. And the fill is going to be cloud, and the ellipsis frame is the border is going to be cloud. And there are our 7 states in one component. So if I go to my assets, and I can just drag 7 copies out onto my board here. Inactive, hover, focused, loading, active, disabled off, disabled on. As you can see, this is my master component. It's indicated by a solid green diamond. These are all copies of the component as seen with the not solid green diamond, just a normal diamond with green frame. And now if I wanted to change this one to something just a little different, it doesn't actually change it within my active state. But I can reset to master state. And now if I wanted to say change this one to turquoise, it actually populates to anyone that hasn't been changed. So those are your basics for creating a toggle in Adobe XD with the new component states feature. I'm going to follow up with doing part 2, which is a little more complex buttons. I hope you tune in. Thank you for watching. If you like these videos or want to see more of them, please subscribe. Those are the generic. Please subscribe. Please like me. I'm going to try to do some basics and get into more advanced once I get a little more comfortable, you know, streaming and hosting and doing video like these. And I'm hoping to do some live stream. Again, I'm really new at creating videos and content like this. So please leave feedback. Tell me I'm doing a terrible job and what I can be doing better. I would really appreciate it. Again, I'm a UI designer. I need the feedback. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.